Do you know that you can personalize your Reels by adding your logo? Yeah, it's possible, and you don't have to have it appear for the full duration of the video. You can choose when and where your logo appears. Let me show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can learn how to film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and need to learn video production, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start recording my screen now. 3, 2, 1, action! So we're gonna go into our Reels and we're gonna just record some video. Blah, 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 blah. There we go. I have some video that I can add my logo on top of. Now, when I'm in this menu, this module, you'll notice that if I go over and I copy my image, copy my photo, and then go back in, it's not going to appear there. It's not going to ask me if I want to paste it. Instead, I need to make sure that I am in the graphics module. So you can press the preview button, and the way you know that you're in the right module is when you see the menu on the top. So your menu will include your text, your mixing and downloading, amongst other things. So now when I go back over to photos and then I copy my photo and I go back into there, it is going to appear. However, for some reason, if you lose it, you don't click on it fast enough, or it doesn't appear that way, there's another trick you can do. So if you click the text and you hold it down a little and you'll see paste will appear, paste your graphic into there, and that will also allow you to have your graphic within your video. Now I can click on the graphic at the bottom and adjust which portions of the video my graphic will appear in. So just move over the tabs. It can get difficult while trying to move the tabs, so just be patient, just keep trying to move them around. Another cool thing that you could add is your Instagram handle to your Reels. So what I did is I created a little slug with my Instagram handle and the Instagram logo that I could add to my videos. You can see that this has a white background, but I did save it as a PNG, so you'll see it will appear as a PNG. However, if your white background is still there, you can go into Canva and remove the background. So I'm going to copy this photo, go back into Reels, and there you have it. I can see when my graphic is centered by the line indicators, and then I can also see if I'm going too high up. So if you go past that top line, your logo or graphic will not appear when the reel is shown within the feed. It will appear, however, when the reel is shown within the Reels tab. So I'm going to put it just underneath that line, make sure it's all there, and then you can see again it's not appearing at the bottom. So to do that, I just press my text and done, and now I can see it on the bottom, select it, and change the duration for when that will appear. And there you have it. Now you know how to add your logo and other graphics to your Instagram Reels so that you can brand your Reels. I hope that you found this helpful and that you can use it within your next Reel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!